From the mountains to the valley, the indigenous people of Misamis Oriental have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. Their deep connection to the land, their rich traditions, and their enduring spirit are the testament to their resilience and wisdom. Let's journey together to discover the stories.
Indigenous people cultures are incredibly diverse with unique languages, art forms, and social structures. They often have strong community bonds and rich oral traditions. Their beliefs are often deeply connected to their environment.
Many indigenous people live in rural areas relying on traditional farming, fishing, or gathering. Their lives are often closely connected to nature and their spiritual beliefs. Access to resources and services can be limited.
Indigenous people faces many challenges, including land grabbing, discrimination, lack of access to education and healthcare, and the impacts of climate change. These threats endangers their livelihoods and cultures.
Despite their challenges, Indigenous people demonstrate a remarkable resilience. They are actively working to protect their rights, preserve their cultures, and advocate for their communities' well-being.
Indigenous people are crucial for preserving biodiversity and traditional knowledge. Their unique cultures enrich Philippine society and contribute to its rich heritage. Their perspectives are essential for sustainable development.
Indigenous people are the original inhabitants of a specific territory, maintaining their own distinct cultures, languages, and social system. They have a historical connection to their land.
Morning, sir. Ano sa pangalan nato?
Mark Anthony.
Mark Anthony. Kanang nana ko'y pangutana sa inyo gamay lang. So, what's one thing you think is special about indigenous people?
One thing naka-special sa indigenous people is kanang sila maghimunauna nga pinakauna nga civilization sa Pinas. O when it comes sa culture pod o sa ilang kung asa gid sila gikan, mabutan po nato nga special sila.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
What's your name?
My name's Gwen.
What comes in your mind when you hear indigenous people?
Well, when I hear about indigenous people, I think about the rich cultural heritage and their deep connections to their ancestral lands.
Para sa imuha, ma'am, importante ba ang indigenous culture o ganong importante para sa imo? Oo, para sa kwa, importante yung kayo ang indigenous culture o lumad kay pwede man jud nato siya ma-preserve bitaw sa next generation para ilaa pong masabtan o makatunan o unsa na siya.
Good morning, ma'am. Unsa yung name na to, ma'am?
I am Kisha.
Ay nakagamay ay pangutana, ma'am. Unsa nakadungog na ba ta og mga lumad nga katawhan or indigenous people diri sa Pilipinas o unsa imong nahibawan about sa ilaha?
Also, what I know about the indigenous people ay kanang diverse sila nga kanang people bitaw, and na sila klase-klase nga languages nga ilang nga kanang ilahagin own bitaw, and also napod na sila ilahi nga kanang tradition sa ato, like kita Catholic ang ilaha kanang example na igorot na sila ilahi nga tradition, and also ilang mga ways of life, ways of thinking nila lahi para sa ato. For pan mo ra gid na ako nang dili kay ko kanang familiar sa ilaha, but nalay ko yung gamay nga knowledge.